in a veil of sorrow, where morning's breath won't stray. Saturn sits in silence, gray-haired still as clay. Forests hang like storm clouds, no whisper in the air. A voiceless stream runs heavy with the weight of his despair. His scepter lost, his kingdom gone, his eyes in darkness sealed. He listens to the earth, his mother, for a truth yet to be revealed. A fallen God unmoving in a world of fading light, yet a spark of cosmic fire still burns within the night. You're the masters of the cosmos, hear the universal call. Shine, souls of the divine. Reclaim the golden glory for eternity's design. Dia kneels beside him, her heart a throbbing. Goddess born of dawn, with sorrow's beauty wake. Her voice a deep lament, like thunder soft and low. Saturn, lift your eyes, though no comfort can I show. Your thunder's turned against us, your lightning burns our skies. The air's bereft of majesty, where once your glory flies. She weeps upon the earth, her tears a silken bed, yet whispers hope through chaos, where fallen gods are led. Light the way, oh light the way. Rise, children of the stars, let your spirits blaze. Through the gloom of fallen thrones, ignite the ancient ways. Hold the light of destiny, though heavens quake and fall. You're the masters of the cosmos, hear the universal call. Shine, souls of the divine. Reclaim the golden glory for eternity's design. Hyperion storms his palace, his robes a flaming roar. The sun god's heart is breaking, yet he'll bow to fate no more. Am I to fall like Saturn, my empire turned to dust? No, I'll wield my fire and crush this rebel thrust. Oh, rise, bright sun. The stars look down in pity, old Kolo speaks through space. to steal my sky. Can I not forge a new world from chaos yet to come? His passion shakes the cosmos, a god unstrung, undone.